Hello everyone, I am Charu Sharnagat, second year student of MCA from IIP's DAVP Indore. Today I am giving the presentation on some topics of discrete mathematics. The topics I am going to cover here are distance and the center, rooted and binary tree, spanning tree, and the fundamentals of circuit. Now we will start with the distance and the center. The distance in a graph is defined as the number of edge in a shortest path between the vertices. Here we can see that in this example, if we want to find the distance between the 1 and 5, then we can see that the shortest path is this, and the vertices coming in the shortest path is 2. So the distance between the 5 and the 1 is 2. Moving us forward, the next is center. Center is the edge in a graph which has a minimum eccentricity. As you can see that in this example, in the graph, the vertices A has a minimum eccentricity, so it is the center of this graph. Now moving us forward, the another topic is the spanning tree. A spanning tree is a subset of graph G such that all the vertices are connected using the minimum possible number of edge. Hence, a spanning tree does not have cycle and a graph. A graph can have more than one spanning tree. For example, here at the top it is a graph, and the another image you can see that the spanning trees, which are the subset of that graph. Minimum spanning tree. A minimum spanning tree is defined as the spanning tree that has a minimum weight among all the possible spanning trees. For example, here it is a spanning tree, and it is a minimum spanning tree, and here the minimum edge is 1. So for this image, the weight of this graph is 1. There are some real world applications of the spanning trees are transportation network, building telecommunication network, and it is also used in the Dijkstra's algorithm and the search algorithm. Binary tree is defined as the tree which out degree of every node is less than or equal to 2. Here in this example, it is a binary tree. There are some terminologies related to the binary tree are root, left child, right child. Now starting with the root. A root is defined as the binary tree has a unique node called the root of the tree, and the another is the left child. The node to the left of the root is called the left child, and the right child is defined as the node which is to the right of the root node, and the another is the parent. A parent is defined as the node having a left child or right child or both are called the parent of the node, and siblings. Two nodes having the same parent are called the siblings. Now the next is the leaf. A node with no children is called the leaf of the tree, and the left subtree. The subtree whose root is the left child of some node is called the subtree. And the next is the right subtree. The subtree whose root is the right child of some node is called the right subtree of that node. Level of the node. Level of the node is defined as the distance from the root. External node. The external node is defined as the which has no children are called the external node or terminologies of the node. Internal nodes. The internal nodes which have one or more than one children are called the internal nodes or the terminologies of the nodes. Binary tree has many types, but we will see here the only two types. The first one is the binary complete tree, and the second is the full tree. Now starting with the binary tree, a complete binary tree. Complete binary tree is a tree if it has all levels except possibly the last have the maximum number of possible nodes for the left as possible. For example, here see the every level at itself is a complete. Now moving is forward, another is the full binary tree. It is a tree in which all the leaves are at the same level and every non-leaf node has two children. For example, here the 2 and the 3 are the leaf, and they have the two children, 4, 3 and the 6 and 7. They are full in itself. Now there are some terminologies related to the rooted tree are root, node and the edge. Root is defined as the node which is the starting point in the graph for another nodes, and nodes are also called the vertices. These are connected through the root, and the edge is defined as the link that connects the root and the nodes. For example, here we can see that at the top level the root node is there, and the another nodes are connected, and the link between that the root and the internal nodes known as the edge. There are the properties of the rooted tree are the parent, children and siblings. Properties parent. A vertex other than the root is a parent if it has one or more children. For example, here the parent of C is a B and the another is children. If A is a vertex with a successor B and C, then B and C are the children of A. The next one is sibling. Children with the same parent vertex are called the siblings. For example, here the D and the E are the siblings and C is a parent of D and E. The next is the level. Level is defined as the distance of nodes from the root. For example, here the A is the root and it is at the 0 level, and the other nodes like B and C, G, J, these are the B. For example, B and G are at the second level and C and J at the third level, and descendant of the vertex A. It is defined as the vertices that have B as an ancestor. For example, the descendant of B and C are D and E. And the leaf. A leaf is defined as the vertex which has no children. For example, here the leaves are D, E, F, I, K, L and M. Now the last but not the least, fundamentals of circuit. The fundamentals of circuit is defined as the spanning tree in a graph G that adding any one chord to T will create exactly one circuit. Such circuit is called the fundamental of circuit. For example, here in the first image, this is the circuit, and this image is called the fundamentals of circuit because this is made from removing the edge between the vertices B and the 4. Now we can also see that the another example, if a chord E join that then circuit will be A, B, D and E, and if chord C join, then the circuit will be A, B and C. This we end our presentation, and thanks for listening me patiently. Have a nice day.